Hello and welcome to my tutorial of how to add my Christmas asset to your avatar. You'll want to go into this folder and drag and drop the prefab, and then you will want to unpack. Once you unpacked, you can just drag it onto your avatar and then open up all the bones that you will need to drag on different components. Once you've done that, you can just drag and drop the chest onto the chest, the hat onto the head, the right hand on the right hand, and the left hand on the left hand. If you want to move the assets, you'll need to go into here and change this. So right now it's on the chest, you change that to 0 and this to 1, and then once it is here, you can go to the right hand and find the cane, and then you can move this around to wherever you need it to be. And that goes for all the other parts, as they have different bones that you can move for them. So the present, you can move that to the hand, and then you can move the present around. Now that you get this all set up, we can move on to the animations. So you just want to grab these three and move it closer to what you're going to do with your other animations for the actual avatar. So first you'll want to add the parameters, and you can just copy and paste these from the example that is in the folder. Then you'll want to add the menu, submenu, Christmas sub, and then you can add this little icon so it has a picture. Then you can go to FX, and you can start copying the parameters here. They're all gonna be bools. Start doing these, layer, and just copy and paste these. And then you can just click on the little cogwheel, push that to 1, and add the mask to all of these. Oh, forgot this one. Now you can start copying and pasting the contents Control C, Control V. Sometimes it messes up, so you need to set state machine to the idle. You can just check to see if those are correct. Move on to the next one. Control C. And then the set state machine should be set to the off animation. Sometimes it copies them weird. Now that you got all the animations set up, it should be all set to publish.